Hello and welcome to this video on how to find a job. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a career change, the job search can be overwhelming. But with the right strategy and preparation, it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll share with you some tips and tricks to help you find and secure the job you want. Step 1. Know what you're looking for. Before you start your job search, it's important to have a clear idea of what you're looking for in a job. Take some time to think about your strengths, skills, and interests. Consider the industry, type of company, and work environment that you're most interested in. This will help you focus your search and make it easier to identify potential job opportunities. Step 2. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Once you know what you're looking for, it's time to update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Make sure your resume is clear, concise, and tailored to the type of job you're seeking. Highlight your skills, achievements, and relevant experience. On LinkedIn, connect with former colleagues, classmates, and industry professionals, and make sure your profile accurately reflects your background and skills. Step 3. Network. Networking is a critical aspect of your job search. Reach out to your professional network, attend career fairs and networking events, and join online communities in your field. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice, and offer to help others as well. Building strong relationships with people in your industry can help you learn about new job opportunities and increase your chances of being hired. Step 4. Search for job openings. There are many resources available for finding job openings, including job boards, company websites, and recruitment agencies. Spend some time researching companies and positions that interest you, and apply for jobs that match your skills and experience. Customize your cover letter and resume for each job application to show that you're a good fit for the position. Step 5. Prepare for the interview. If you're called for an interview, it's important to be well prepared. Research the company, the position, and the person who will be interviewing you. Practice answering common interview questions and think about how you'll respond to questions about your strengths, weaknesses, and experience. Dress professionally and arrive on time for your interview. By following these steps, you'll increase your chances of finding a job that you'll love. Remember, the job search process takes time, so be patient and stay focused. Good luck with your search, and thank you for watching.